CHIOGGIA beets are gorgeous to look at and very easy to grow, but more importantly, they are a superfood. They help to lower your blood pressure and blood sugar levels. With high amounts of vitamins and minerals, they help to reduce inflammation and to detoxify the body. Hey guys, today is the 18th of May and I have started some beets. Hey guys, today is June 6th, Northwest Ohio, Zone 5, and I wanted you to see how well these two different kinds of beets are growing. And I've had to cover them with tulle because groundhogs get out here and eat stuff, and you can see they have eaten this new Italian zucchini I'm wanting to try. Hey guys, today is June 12th, and I thought that we would look at our beets in this container. And you can see how densely packed these are. I'm not seeing any heads coming up over the soil yet. And it is intermingled here with some lettuce that's starting to come back. Now let me come back here and you can see how tall this is. All right, you guys, today is June 12th. I'm in Zone 5, Northwest Ohio. I am looking at these beets back here, and I planted two different kinds. And you can see they're going pretty good. Get in here and look. And I'm really not seeing any heads popping up yet. But that, you can see right there. That's red. I've got that candy cane looking one and a all white looking one. So again, I can see a little bit of red down here. And I have had to cover these with tulle, and I've got some board, and I've been shoving and tucking and applying some wood, and I've got this little thing stuck in the side of here through the tulle, so nothing can really get underneath here, and I keep tucking the tulle under there as well, just to help to protect. So I've got some spots here. I need to come in and maybe plug in a few more. And I love how these feel. These leaves have got, as far as leaves go, they have some mass to them. They're not the most delicate thing. This one feels nice and new. A little bit thin too at the tip since it's newer. So very pleased with these so far. Stay with me. Okay, that's what everything looks like, all tucked in, and you just water directly on top of there. You do not have to take this up, roll it over there, and then water. You can water directly on top of it because it is tooling. Okay, you guys, today is June 16th. Look at how well these beets have really grown in the last 2 days. We had extreme weather here. And let's get down here and look at some of this. And you can see this one's going to be probably the albino beet. And this one are going to be those candy cane striped ones. Here's how the leaf has that beautiful red streak to it already. Not the leaf, the stem. Hey guys, today is June 26th and I am out in the back in the tomato bins and I am looking at these gorgeous beets. Look at that. What a fantastic sign. I feel like I kind of want to pull this one. It definitely feels like it is attached and rooted in there. These mosquitoes are in my face. Let's see what else we've got. Oh, here's another one that is happening. This must be one of those white ones. I have two kinds back here, those candy cane and then those sugary albinos. And there's oh look, you can see both of them from that side view. Isn't that nice? Hey guys, it is July 1st and I am out in the front yard, which is partly shady. And you can see we're getting some beet development here. And pretty soon I would like to pick these. Hey guys, today is July 4th and I think I'm going to put these beets out of their misery. At least gonna pick a couple so I can see if they've developed on the inside and have that beautiful little candy cane effect. So let's pull this up. Ooh, comes out nice and easy. It's so gorgeous, isn't it? That color right there reminds me of that rainbow Swiss chard mix that they have. And one of the problems that I always have is I want to grow things that I really don't like to eat. And beets is actually one of them. I am in the shady part of the yard. So now let's travel up to the full sun tomato bin area. Check out my Etsy shop, T-shirt garden company, featuring gardening, No Mow May, sewing, tiny house, Zen meditation designs. Link in box below. All right, you guys, so now I am back in the back and I've pulled away the netting and I see the one that I want here. This was just a stake I had to keep the netting off the leaves when they were younger. So that's really not needed any longer. You see how big this one here is? This is the one I'm gonna take. And I'm gonna gather up all the appropriate leaves. There's one behind it. All right, so now let's just gently lift straight up. I might get the other one. Oh my God, I didn't. It's almost out though. So I'm just gonna, well, it's still connected to the root, so I'm gonna leave it. Here. Still good. All right, let's have a look at it. All right, you guys, back in the house. Look at how gorgeous that is. And that's what this is. I cannot pronounce that, but it's that candy cane or peppermint looking beet. And here I've taken the skin away on this part of it. And I gotta tell you, this one tasted sweeter to me raw than this one did. So that's cool because that's gonna look beautiful in a salad. Hey guys, today is July 13th. I went ahead and I pulled all of the beets out of the front and the back. And I am gonna let my mother do whatever my mother is going to do with them because she is the beet eater. I have to tell you, these were really super easy to grow. It was kind of like growing green beans. They just do what they need to do and do not need much intervention at all from you. They will start to lilt a little bit as it gets hotter, and that was also one of the main reasons why I wanted to pull it out of here. I've already started some Blue Lake, I think, green beans over here. October 4th, and look at these guys. I wanted to do a little fall harvest, and I do mean little because look at that little patch there of beets so that I could actually roast them and we can start to see the head of this. And I wanted to put it into a different location as well. So this is the progress thus far. Oh my God, they're so supple, you guys. I love these little beet top leaves. All right, guys, so I'm gonna pull these beets that I did for the fall, and you can see its fallout. well, past fall really. I had kind of forgot about them because I don't really like beets. But I'm gonna pull out what I can. All right, ooh, there's a nice worm. Okay. Ooh, hey, that had a little bit of resistance. I thought it would have been bigger for that, but it was right next to this one. And I want to actually roast these now that, you know, it's not the middle of summer. I actually want to heat the house. Okay. I think that's it. Let's cover up our worm though. And there's this one more. Little baby one. Okay, let's cover our worm back up. He'll find his way where he needs to be. This is not a whole lot, but this is enough to give me an idea if I even like roasted beets or not. I have to be honest, I'm gonna say that's probably gonna be a no, because I'm just not into them. I'm into growing them. Eating them, whole nother issue. Review time, got it at Baker Creek, CHIOGGIA Beets 60 days. CHIOGGIA beet is the most whimsical veggie in the patch. Slice the roots open to reveal concentric rings of pink and white. This fun variety adds pop to salads and pizzazz to pickles. CHIOGGIA beet originated in the historic fishing town of Chioggia, Italy, just across the lagoon from Venice. Dubbed Little Venice for its canals and ancient charm, local Venetians know that Chioggia is the town to visit for authentic family-style food. Whew, sounds good. It also has a reputation among Italians for retaining food tradition and quality cuisine. CHIOGGIA beet was first mentioned by legendary French seed house Vermilion in 1840. The candy cane striped roots have a crisp crunch when eaten raw in salads. The greens are crisp and high quality. The flesh is very tender, mild, and sweet. So, packet is $3 and you get 250 of those seeds. What pulled me in was the caption up here of a candy sweet taste, along with the fact that they're just beautiful. I mean, if you look at the rest of the beets on the plates, nothing is as vivid as this one here. So here is the packet that you have seen before. The other beet that I had mentioned that I grew is right here, and I will do this separately because I did not have enough to roast these, and I feel like that's not fair for me to do a full review, so we'll get this later. But what got me on this one was a natural source of pure sugar. Very interesting, and I'm interested to try this roasted, and it says as sweet as sugar. So I found all of this very interesting too, because I've been to Italy. I had never heard of this town. I was in Venice. I would have kind of liked to have known that. Maybe I could have had a nice family style meal there. All right, you guys, hang on. There's a little surprise twist at the end. All peeled up, and I chose to use my worst cookie sheet just in case everything got stained up, and really my fingers didn't even get stained up either peeling them. And I am pleasantly surprised to tell you these are actually good. They remind me of, if you've ever steamed radishes, they remind me a little bit of that taste, except there is a little bit of that background beet taste to it. Again, I didn't season anything. It's strictly the beet. There's no oil, salt, nothing in here. Okay, now that they've cooled off even more, they do have a little bit more of a sweetness profile to them. You guys, I am incredibly shocked that I actually like a roasted beet, because I hate pickled beets. I'm gonna keep the seeds. I was thinking about giving them to my cousin who loves them, but yeah, I'm growing beets again. I cannot believe it. I'm astonished that I like these beets. Now, if you look here, see how you can kind of see some segments? Since I cut them straight up and down, not halved, you can actually, when you bite in, you can taste every single one of these segments with this color differentiation. So I'm just impressed that I like these. I am flabbergasted. Now you can tell that they're small. You can see on the fork how tiny that they are. Maybe that has something to do with it. I don't know. But with how easy these were to grow, how easy these peels came off, the fact that I basically did nothing and just put it in some tin foil. It didn't bleed over my fingers. Sorry about the fingernail polish. That looks terrible. Yeah, I'm keeping these. These are a pleasant surprise. They are a keeper. Oh my God, they're a keeper, you guys. I don't think you can go wrong with these, because I really was thinking this was going to go sideways, and I'm so happy with them. I'm going to take a few to my mom, even though I don't really have a lot here, but she's a beet freak, and I think she would really appreciate them. Hey, I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Love you. You will see these again in the garden growing. And again, got them at Baker Creek. Thank you so much for watching, and I invite you again to subscribe, as I have been gardening for over 40 years and have a lot to teach, show, grow, review, experiment with, and my favorite, a specific variety everything deep dive. So let's try new things together, mix it up, and have a glorious day.